Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This is going to be from the mid-month of the June till the 15th of the July. This is for the Pisces sun, moon and rising sign. This is going to be a general video, so it might or might not resonate with every single person who watches it. If it does resonate with you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, in this video I'm going to take a look at your past, present and future situation. I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you and end the video pulling some advice for the Pisces. In the recent past we have the Two of Cups, the Eight of Cups, there is the Knight of Wands. In the present we have the Justice, we have the Queen of Cups, we have the King of Cups. In the future we have the Eight of Swords, the Magician and the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, the challenge for the week is the strength. The challenge for the week is to know where your strength lies, to be strong. The challenge for the week is whatever the situation is going to bring you, so you have to be strong. You have to be strong in order to accept it, whether it is happiness, whether it is sadness, whether it is something bringing you a lot of breakdown into your life, whatever the changes is going to happen. So the ultimate goal is to be strong. You have to be strong so that you can face any sort of situation, any sort of you will have strength to clarify anything, whatever the situation is going to get to you. Okay, in the recent past there was, you guys were in relationship with the one whom you really love, with one who really shared all of your values, the one understands you very well. I see there was someone else, it could be you could be in relationship with a fire sign, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo. Something happened, made you to move far away from this emotional bonding, emotional connection in the recent past. In the present situation, you're getting some justice for some clarification about a situation. It could be related to the same person, because I feel this person is someone, your soulmate, because the way the King of Cups is looking at the Queen of Cups, I feel you and your partner, you both want each other. They want you, you want them, but because of some silly reason happened between you guys in the recent past, made a lot of conflicts, okay, which brought you to this position. I'm going to clarify it. In the future, there is someone who will be stuck in their head. It could be you or your partner. They really want to work through some things which they really manifest, okay, which they really want to manifest in their life, but they couldn't make any sort of decisions because they're not strong within themselves in order to make some strong decisions, in order to take some strong decisions. Okay, we're going to clarify it in a moment. First, we're going to clarify the challenge for the week, for the phase, the strength. So the strength is clarified by why, what is the situation is going to get you to be strong. It is like asking you to be strong. What is it? Oh, the strength is clarified by the Wheel of Fortune, the major change, the Page of Pentacles, the Justice. Something is going to happen in the present moment which will bring some justice into your life between you and your partner. So in order to face that justice, you have to be very strong, because it is going to bring a lot of changes. It is a positivity or negative, I don't know. It is going to get you some opportunity for a lot of changes, and it is going to bring big justice into your life. So be ready. You have to be strong in order to accept it. So in the past, I'm going to clarify the Two of Cups. You were with someone, very closed off with someone in the recent past. I'm going to clarify the Two of Cups for you. So the Two of Cups is clarified by the Eight of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords, the Queen of Wands. You're dealing with the air sign who is very strong here. You really want to work things. You want to work things out. Your partner really want to work things out, because the situation though you were happy with this partner, but there was something in happened between you, and guys, you guys brought a lot of thinking in your negative thinking in your mind, a lot of conflicts in your head. Okay, you just both wanted to work things out in the recent past between your connection. You really wanted to, but something happened, you guys detached in the recent past. I'm going to clarify the 8 of Cups for you. I'm going to clarify the 8 of Cups. The 8 of Cups is clarified by the Queen of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, the Ace of Swords. Definitely you are dealing with Ace fire sign, because the Knight of Wands appeared. Someone got some clarity about something in the recent past. Okay, you've got some clarity about this person, about the person whom you were in relationship with. You got something about them which made you to move towards your happiness, your stability. You went towards your happiness, where the happiness is. You just detached from this person in order to be happy somewhere else. Okay, tell me about the past partner, about this Knight of Wands, about this person with whom you were in relationship with, about this partner. Okay, the Knight of Wands is clarified by the Swords, the 7 of Cups, the 3 of Pentacles. So I feel there's a third party situation, or for some of you, or this person wasn't sure should they have to end the relationship or not. They were in confusion. For some, they really wanted to work through things. Okay, they really wanted to work through things, but for some of them, they had some different options in their lives, so they couldn't make a perfect choice. This person ended up the situation, the relationship there and then, though they wanted to work out it, but there was some confusion in their head. Okay, so this person gave you a major heartbreak because they had an option. They ended relationship with you. For many of you, that is the case. Maybe there was some third party situation involved in their life. There was someone else into their life who just made this person to choose them in front of you. There was a major heartbreak. In the present situation, you're getting justice for something. This could be related to your partner, your past partner, getting justice for something in the present situation. The justice is clarified by the Ace of Cups, the 4 of Cups, the 5 of Cups. Okay, someone in this relationship wants to give it a fresh start, or someone found a new love, so that they ended up. So someone still are waiting to give it a fresh start, but someone is rejecting it. Okay, someone wants to start, but they're offering, but they're rejecting it. Someone ending up being sad. Okay, you'll get to know why this person is actually acting like this, because there have been new love in their life. That is why this person is not accepting you and ending up you being sad. Okay, but I really feel the strong the strong connection you and this person has. I'm going to clarify the King of Cups here. Queen of Cups here and the King of Cups both. Okay, the Queen of Cups is clarified by the Death. There is a 9 of Wands. There is Ace of Wands. Someone is ready to give up with the situation. They are ready to end this relationship and start something new with someone else. It's very clear this person whom you are dealing with are ready to end this connection, while the other side, you being waiting for this connection to work out. Okay, so that is what this justice is. The strength you should have, the challenge for the week. You're getting some justice in the present situation, so you should be very strong in order to in order to face the moment. Okay, in the future, someone is being stuck in their head, couldn't make any decision. It could be you. I'm feeling it's you, Pisces. There's a major heartbreak is happening for many of you in the present moment. In the future, I see you stuck in your mind, couldn't make any decisions. You really want to work out the situation. You're still manifesting something. The Eight of Swords is clarified by the King of Pentacles, the Five of Wands, the Page of Cups. For many of you, there is a chances of new love coming your way. You couldn't, or you offering some love towards another person. You couldn't make any decision towards this new love because you are still stuck in the past conflict. You really searching for that stability in this person who have come your way. I don't feel this person is still like a childlike. There might be chances this person bring a lot of stability, but right now I don't feel this person is ready to give all those you want. There's still conflict going on in your head about this new relationship. For some of you, you are still stuck in the past. You couldn't make any decisions in the future. You guys are manifesting something. Someone is manifesting in the future. Okay. The Magician is clarified by the Six of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, the Page of Swords. This could be you manifesting balance in your relationship. Again, you want that what went, like you had been putting a lot of effort. You want the same thing from that person. Again, you are just wanting that person again in the future because you really want, you're spying on them. Or they're spying on you. I don't feel they're spying on you. You're spying on them and thinking, what should I next? What can I make in order to this relationship to work out? You're planning, constantly planning to bring this relationship to the balance. You're finding clarity within yourself, or you're trying to get something about your person in the future. For many of you, it's like you're manifesting something from that person, or manifesting some sort of balance with the new person which have come your way in the future. Okay, we're going to clarify the Eight of Pentacles. The Eight of Pentacles is clarified by the King of Cups, the Devil, the Moon. You're working out in the future in order to get to know about this toxic relationship about this toxic person whom you consider now. They were hiding something in the past. You're just working out in the future. I see you working out regarding your partner in order to know why this person actually didn't reveal you this before. It's like that type of conflict, because I see this person already here in the present moment. You want this person in the future too. You are spying on this person in the future. I feel like that. You, in order to get to know some secrets about this person. Okay, it's very clear, it's very bad ending, but you have to be strong in order to face all this, in order to face something else in the future, some secrets you think this person is hiding. There's a challenge for the week, so be strong. There's some opportunity also coming your way, new love, so there could be chance of new changes coming your way, so feel free to accept it. I'm going to pull some advice for Pisces people. The advice I have here for you is a new romantic cycle begins. I told you there's a chances of, for many of you, a new romantic cycle. Someone could be offering you something new. So if you're still focusing on your past, spying on your ex, it is not going to take you anywhere. So there's a opportunity coming your way. Feel strong to move on. Okay, it's not your problem. It's being strong and taking it in every positive direction. Okay, so advice is, look at the new love coming your way. Just forget the past. Be strong. Okay, that is all I have for the Pisces people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. I shall see you all with my another reading. Till that, take care. Bye.